Puppies are 2 weeks old today. They just ate, so they're ready to have a nap. But we're gonna try and get them to move around. Hey, babies. Hey. Well, let's see. Here's one of the girls. Her eyes are open, and she would like to have a nap. Oh, big yawn. I know. Put you down here. Oh, I know. Here's the other little girl. Yep, she would like to get down and go back to sleep, actually. Pretty little girl. Okay, boys. As you can see, they're up and walking whenever they're not sleeping or eating. But they're moving around really well. Starting to nuzzle with the toys. You can lick my toes. Where are you going, huh? Hey, wake up. Hey, boys, come on. Come here. Okay, well, I don't think we're going to get much more out of them right now. Oh, here comes Gold. Come on. Let's just go for the Gold. Yeah. Oh, hi, baby. Hi. Oh. That's a boy. That's a big, strong boy. Okay. Good baby. Good baby. Hey, sweet boy. Oh. Oh. There's Mr. Orange. We weighed puppies yesterday, and they weigh between 2.5 and 3 pounds. All doing very well. Where are you going, Gold, huh? Where are you going? Huh? Okay.